Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Have you ever been in a fix where you have exhausted all your available options and you just don't know what to do? Hi, I'm Shubha, and today I will share with you how unconventional, out of the box thinking can actually provide you with a solution to your problem. But first, let's listen to a story. In a small Italian town, there lived a small businessman who owed a huge sum of money to a moneylender. The moneylender was a very shrewd and opportunistic guy who also happened to fancy the business owner's daughter. So he thought of a scheme to completely wipe off the debt of the business owner, but he plotted in such a way that in exchange he would end up marrying the business owner's daughter. So here's what he planned. The moneylender said that he would place two pebbles inside a bag, one black pebble and one white pebble. The business owner's daughter would then have to reach inside the bag and pull out any one of the pebbles. If the pebble that she pulled out happened to be black, then he would wipe off all the debt of the business owner, but in return, the daughter would have to end up marrying him. But if, on the other hand, she happened to pull out the white pebble, then he would wipe out completely all the debt of the business owner and the daughter would get away without having to marry the moneylender. Standing on a pebble-strewn path outside the business owner's garden, the moneylender picked up two pebbles very quickly and put it inside his bag. Now, although he happened to pick up the pebbles in a flash and put it in the bag, the sharp eyes of the business owner's daughter noticed that both the pebbles that the moneylender had picked were actually black in color. The young lady wanted to protest and expose the moneylender for cheating, but she was really scared to offend the moneylender. The moneylender then asked the young lady to reach inside the bag and pick out any one of the pebbles. Now, there were only three rational choices, only three options that were available to the young lady. A. She could have refused to pick up any of the pebbles from the bag. B. She could have simply picked out both the pebbles and exposed the moneylender for cheating. Or C. She could have just pulled out any one of the pebbles knowing fully well that it would be black and thus sacrifice herself for her father's freedom. These were the only three options and each with its own adverse effects. So, this is what the young lady did. She reached inside the bag and picked out one of the pebbles. And then, before she even looked at it, she accidentally dropped the pebble on the ground. And then she told the moneylender, "Oh, how clumsy of me. But never mind, if you look inside the bag and see the pebble that is left, you can easily make out the color of the other one, the one which I dropped accidentally." The pebble left inside the bag was obviously black. But since the moneylender did not want to be exposed of cheating, he had to play along simply and pretend that the pebble that the young lady had dropped accidentally was white. And thus it so happened that the business owner was spared of all his debt and the young lady was also spared of having to end up marrying the shrewd and cunning moneylender. So you see, it is possible to find a way out of an seemingly impossible situation and not have to give in to the only options which you think are available. Friends, many a time in life, we are caught up in a dilemma where no matter which choice we opt for, the results would be far from ideal. For example, your partner perhaps wants you to join them for a family outing or dinner while you want to spend the evening watching your favorite sport. But saying no to your partner may simply offend him or her. When your logical mind can see only the obvious options, it is time to shift gears and activate your creative mind. The right side of our brain actually deals with creativity, intuition, and lateral thinking. So, here are a few exercises that will help you stimulate your creative thinking. As we all know that the right side of the brain controls the left side of our body and vice versa, here is a very simple exercise. Pick up a pen with your right hand and write something. For example, hello, how are you? Or what do you think is your greatest strength that can help you? And so on. And then you can shift the pen to your left hand and quickly start writing a response. Be sure that you do it quickly so that your response will be reflective. And you will be really surprised at some of the answers that will come. You'd never imagine that they would come from you. It's almost like your left hand is having a mind of its own. Another very effective way to increase your creative thinking is to listen to theta brainwave sounds. Now, theta brainwave sounds are actually very slow sounds that have a frequency between 4 to 7 hertz. We normally naturally drop into the theta state just before we go to sleep or when we are dreaming. But we can also choose to consciously enter the theta state by listening to theta brainwave sounds, which you can find easily online. What this does is that it helps to stimulate your creativity, your intuition, and lateral thinking. Another technique that helps with creativity is called role storming. Ask yourself, what would you do if you were someone else? So you could try to think like Buddha or Steve Jobs or the opposite gender, or maybe your colleague or customer or even your enemy. If you too have dealt with life's challenges with unconventional, out-of-the-box thinking, then please do share in the comments section below. We would love to hear your inspiring stories. See you soon on another episode of Soul Talks with Shubha as we continue this journey of learning and growing together.